Hello everyone, welcome back to the homestead. This down here is the riding mower in question. It's because of this riding lawnmower, my expertise in small engine repair, that I got that rototiller for free. So let me show you around the thing. It's a Craftsman. I don't really remember what year it is. Yes, it's got two flat tires. It's always had flat tires. I mean, it's been used and abused. The date code on it's wore off. It's an automatic transmission. Before, you couldn't even move this thing. I made it to where you can push it this way and this way. So let me get the tires aired up, and I'll show you how well it works. Now it needs new tires. Since their garages and sheds are so full of crap, they have no place to keep this thing. So it sits outside in the sun. The tires are dry rotted. Now we got the sweat bees out to attack me. Oh well. Tennessee's got a lot of bugs. Okay. Cobwebs and all. Let's see. It does everything that they wanted me to do for them. This thing's going home Saturday morning. Today is Tuesday. Steer's fine. So that's it. I got the tiller that I've always wanted for a long time but never could afford. The only thing I had to do was make this thing move and steer. So, you people leave me know in the comments what you think. Did I make out or not? Chances are, this thing goes back to the people. It's going to sit in the same place. The tires are going to go flat. And it'll just rust up again. On the side of the transmission, you look, on your own, if you have one of these, there is a spring with a nut on it. The only thing I can think of that I did different when I took the transmission out of this thing is I loosened up that nut and freed the linkage so the shifter would move. That's the only thing I actually did to it. So, anyways, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Share it with friends. You have an awesome day, and God bless you.